Hi everyone, I'm presenting at Data Decoded London, and I want to give you a quick overview of my presentation. Everyone's talking about AI right now and building their strategies, 1-year plans, 2 years, detailed roadmaps. Unfortunately, most of them are going to be obsolete before they're finished. No plan survives first contact with fast-moving AI. And there's a fair bit of evidence to support the hypothesis. 2 years ago, AI models could work on their own for about 7 minutes before they needed a human to step in. Just 12 months ago, the best was around 2 hours. Now it's 10 hours. In one test, a developer had a frontier model running coherently for over 25 hours to produce a fully functional software application. This isn't gradual improvement, it's a different thing entirely. And research shows that AI capabilities are doubling every 4 months. So if you're writing a 2-year strategy, the models will be 64 times more powerful by the end of it than they are today. So it's kind of inevitable that this amount of flux creates problems for most organizations. EY's CEO survey says that only 20% of organizations are capturing significantly above expectation returns. So what is it that those 20% are doing differently? It's not that they're more technical. It's not just that they have better people with the right skills. It's they're thinking about AI as a systemic change in the operating model or business model. In contrast, most organizations still treat AI like a local IT tool. Apply it to this use case, automate that process, speed up this task. But you've seen what happened with Maltbook, right? 1 million agents learning in the wild, interacting with their users, carrying out simple tasks, complex ones too. That's a network effect, a system change, and it's happening now. So while most organizations are optimizing individual IT deployments, the whole shape of what AI is changing underneath them. So at Data Decoded, I'm talking about what strategic planning looks like when you accept that things aren't going to settle down. What do you actually do when you can't predict what the technology is going to look like in 6 months? How do you structure your AI investments? Why do big companies get stuck in ways that startups don't, and vice versa? Because the organizations that are winning aren't the ones predicting the future correctly. They're the ones who saw the broad shape of what's coming and got good at adapting fast when things change. So if you're coming to Data Decoded on the 23rd of April, I'll be in the AI, Analytics and Intelligence Theatre at 3 p.m. Come and say hello and tell me what you think.